Hi everyone. First off, a huge thank you to all of you who watched our Ultimate Person Shooter video. We hit over 1,000 views.
Oh my god! If you guys ever, oh my god!
Hi, this is Kenix Lot. This is back with a new video on speech recognition, how we do this on Unity. So, easy way to create this. So, let me show you first. You're going to have in this one script. You can download on the link in the description below. This is send event on speech. You will write the keyword to recognize it, and you just send event for what you want. If you say explode, and if you have a state for explode, you're gonna do something on here, so it's gonna work. It is easy. Just let me show you that. If you just send event using the keyword slow, and the send event go to the slow here, and then the slow, the set animator speed, which is the Q, the speed is gonna be 0.1. Do you understand what I mean? That is the easy way. So just download the send event on a speech script, the custom action of Playmaker on the description. This is Kenneth Clartis, Soul of the African Art. Have a nice time.